Hi guys, Raza here from Fine Focus Films. So as said earlier, we are here back in Islamabad Zoo and we want to give an update on Kaavan's health checkup. So today we are going to show you how Kaavan is doing after his health checkup. After the health checkup, Kaavan is performing very well. Slowly and gradually he is coming back on the track. Dr. Amir is trying to help him. He's trying to set his routine, he's trying to make his habits, and he's trying to break his old habits. As we know, before Kaavan was taken care by those animal caretakers. They were the people, they were the staff member who used to look after Kaavan. But what those Mahavat used to do were, they used to put Kaavan in chains. There were other ill practices which were done by the previous animal caretakers. So Dr. Amir first have to break those old habits and then he has to develop a set of new habits. Dr. Amir is coming here every day. He's here at the feeding time in the morning and in the evening as well. Dr. Amir is trying some new methods and new techniques to break Kaavan's old habits. So Kaavan developed a stereotypical behavior because of stress, anxiety and loneliness, which is that he shakes his head and he keeps on doing that all the day long. So it was a challenge for Dr. Amir to break this habit. So Dr. Amir is trying new techniques and new methods to break this stereotypical behavior which Kaavan has developed. Whatever Dr. Amir is doing here is marvelous, is fabulous, and I would say hats off to Dr. Amir for all of this effort. Hats off to fourpaws international teams, Friends of Islamabad Zoo and other volunteers available who are doing their job here to safely relocate Kaavan to Cambodia. These people are doing a wonderful job here. As you can see in this footage, the Kaavan is playing, he's taking bath, he's playing with Dr. Amir, especially when he's feeding him. They are feeding and playing actually, and he's trying different methods of feeding. Dr. Amir is also taking Kaavan for a walk because the medical report, the blood samples and the other report also stated that Kaavan is a bit overweight for his age. So Kaavan also need to reduce some weight before he can go on a flight and he can be relocated safely to Cambodia. So it's important for Kaavan to get accustomed to his new diet plan, his new routine, and also develop his new habits. There are a lot of enrichments. They're trying to get Kaavan to swim every day, to get bath every day. They try to get Kaavan in a playing mode. They try to get Kaavan in a different mode. They try to engage with Kaavan when they are feeding him. They're trying new feeding techniques. So as long as they are with the Kaavan and they keep him engaged, his stereotypical behavior is gone. But when Kaavan has nothing else to do, he again starts his stereotypical behavior. So that will take some time, few weeks to break that kind of behavior and develop these new habits which Dr. Amir is working on. It will take some time for Kaavan to develop these new habits. So these are all the updates from Islamabad Zoo and these are all the updates on Kaavan. I would also like to update you on the brown bear and wolf as well. The wolf got the shot for rabies and other vaccination. The brown bear, they are recovering well from their injuries, but they need to be relocated soon because they are not a perfect fit here in this hot humid temperature. They are Himalayan brown bears. They are used to live in colder temperature and definitely these bears should not be kept in cages like this. So they need relocation as well. So after this, the cage building process starts. The other teams, they are going to come into Pakistan and Kaavan will soon start his cage training. So this is all from me for now and stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to comment and give your feedback. Thank you.